Welcome back. I'm here with another video on WordPress. So today we'll be attaching a new page in the website. Then we will be attaching the same page in the menu also. Okay. As you can see, this is the front end of the website and this is the back end. To attach that page, you need to go to the page section and all pages. As you can see, there are a lot of pages that I have added previously. So now I want to add another page to my website. For example, there is no page by the name testimonial and I want to add a new page by the name testimonial. So I will go to the add page section and click on add page. As you click the add page, it will open in the WordPress editor. We'll wait for some time, let it load. So this is the WordPress editor. I will drag it and bring it below. And here we will put the title of the page. So we'll add title. Still. So this is the title and I will close the eye. If you don't close it, this testimonial heading will be shown on the page and your page will have two H1s. So to avoid that, we'll hide this icon and we'll publish. So after creating the page, you need to insert the page using no menu. So I will click back and go to the menu section. If you go down to the appearance, and in appearance you will find something on menu. So I will allow it to load again. So this is the menu section. As you can see, this is the footer menu selected. I will click it and choose the header menu or the primary menu and select. So it will show me all pages available in the primary menu. As you can see, all the pages are there. Home, about us, menu, menu light, menu dark, blog, and contact. So now we'll add the newly created pages testimonial. Tick and add to the menu. Okay, testimonial is there. I want to keep testimonial above the blog section. So I will place it here and save the menu. So now as you can see, the testimonial has been saved in the menu section. We'll go to the front end and refresh it. As I refresh, you can see my testimonial pages is on the menu bar in the front end, home, about us menu, the testimonial, blog, and contact. Now, since we have created this testimonial page, which is a blank, so we will try to import a template to it. So I will go to pages, all pages section, go to the bottom and find the testimonial. So I will click on edit and it will take me to the WordPress editor section. So we'll allow it some time to load. So as you can see, so we are at the WordPress editor section and the title of my page is testimonial. And I want to beautify it or create it. So either I can create from here using WordPress editor or we can use our own page builder like Elementor. So we'll click on edit with Elementor. It will take us to the Elementor editor. So we'll refresh this page. So now as you can see, we are at the editor Elementor editor section. So from here, we can import any kind of template using starter template. So I'll click on starter template. So I'll get a lot of free templates here. So I can insert and edit it as per my will. So I will do one thing. I will just go to this page and I will import, try to import one thing. So I will, this is about us page. So you can import this about us page and edit as per testimonial also. I will just select this page and import the template So the page has been imported. So it will show like this, as you can see. And since we have on the Elementor editor, we can edit everything. So we will edit this section about us. So we'll change it to testimonial and we'll publish it. After publishing, so we'll allow it to save. So it's published. After publishing, if you go to the front end of the page and click on this testimonial, so it will take us to the new page that we have inserted. So as you can see, the testimonial page is there. Now, if you want to edit the page, the layout, the images, the content, we can change it from here. This is how we can create page, integrate into the menu and import template. Thank you for watching this video and keep subscribing my channel. Thank you.